Okay. Welcome to Stellar Mathematics. We are going to look at how to simplify this quadratic equation on the board. The first one, we have a squared plus 2a minus 3, a squared minus 16, a squared plus 8a plus 15. So before we solve this, we first of all factorize this quadratic equation. The first one, we have a squared plus 2a minus 3. So we have to factorize it. How do we factorize it? We think of two numbers that when we multiply, we get minus 3. When we add or subtract, we get what? Plus 2. What are the two numbers? The two numbers are what? Plus 3 and minus 1. Because 3 times minus 1 will give me minus 3. Then 3 minus 1 will give me what? 2. So we now expand it. We have a squared plus 3a minus a minus 3. And that will give me what? I have to factorize here. We have a into a plus 3. Then what is common here is minus a minus 1 into a plus 3. So I have factorized this one and I have this. That is a plus 3 and a minus 1. So I factorize this one and I have this. So coming to the second one, I have a square minus 16. This is difference of two squares. So since it's difference of two squares, 16 is a perfect number. So we have to factorize it, and we have the two numbers that when we multiply, we get 16. They are what? 4. So we have a plus 4 and a minus 4. We have factorized this one. So coming to this one, I have a squared plus 8a plus 15. What are the two numbers that when you multiply, you have 15? When you add, you have what? 8. Because this one, there is no negative numbers. What are the two numbers? You have 5 and what? 3. We put it back. We have a squared plus 5a plus 3a plus 15. So that will give us what? We factorize. Then we have a plus 5 because a is common. Plus what is common here is what? 3. A plus 3 divided 15 is what? 5. So I factorize it and I have a plus 3 and a plus 5. So I'm not done yet. So we have factorized these 3. 1, 2, and 3. So we are going to put it back in this equation. So let's put it back, and we have and that gives us, for this one which is representing this, we have a plus 3 and a minus 1 over, remember this is a perfect number, difference of two squares, which I have factorized to have a plus 4 and a minus 4 times a plus 4 over this a plus 3 and a plus 5. So with this one now, I have done the factorization. So if you look at what I have on the board, I have a plus 3, we cancel a plus 3. A plus 4, we cancel a plus 4. Therefore, I have a minus 1 over a minus 4 into a plus 5. So that is it. So the answer remains like this because I cannot do what? I cannot factor. I cannot go back and start multiplying it again. The answer remains like this. So I have simplified this equation on the board. Thank you, class. Thank you, viewers.